In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Emirates Group Careers website, specifically focusing on the cabin crew application process. Whether you're an aspiring flight attendant or someone seeking a bit of guidance through an online application, this video will have you covered. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Emirates Group Careers page, and for this demonstration, we'll focus on the cabin crew section. You can easily access this by going to your preferred web browser and typing in the URL, or simply searching for Emirates Group Careers Cabin Crew. Once you're on the page, you'll be greeted with an overview of what a cabin crew role entails. This is where you'll find detailed information about the job, including qualifications and the type of candidates they're looking for. I'd recommend taking a few moments to read through this if you haven't already. It provides valuable insights into the role and helps you prepare better for the application. Now, the next step is to find and click on the Apply button. Don't worry, it's usually highlighted prominently to make it easy to locate. Clicking this will direct you to the main application section. Here's a small tip. Before you start filling out any forms, make sure you have some quiet time set aside, free from distractions, so you can focus fully on presenting yourself in the best possible light. Once you've clicked Apply, you'll see an option to upload your resume. When you're doing this, ensure your resume is up to date and presents your experiences and skills clearly. It's always good practice to highlight aspects relevant to the cabin crew role, such as customer service experience or language skills, if applicable. This tailored approach can make a significant difference. Following the resume upload, you'll be prompted to fill in detailed information about yourself. This part is crucial as it forms the basis of your application. Be thorough and accurate with your details. They'll likely ask for various personal, educational, and professional information, so it's helpful to have documents like your ID, certificates, and work history at hand to ensure consistency and correctness. Lastly, you'll want to ensure you're following all instructions provided on the application page. There may be additional steps or specific guidelines to adhere to, especially regarding eligibility or document submissions. Taking your time to carefully read through the instructions and completing each section as specified can help avoid any unnecessary errors or delays in processing your application. By the end of these steps, you'll have submitted your application to Emirates Group for consideration as a cabin crew member. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to navigating and applying through the Emirates Group Careers platform. Good luck with your application, and let's hope to see you take to the skies soon.